For this media project, we created 3 different products, the main product being our horror trailer and 2 ancillary texts, the poster and the magazine front cover. When creating all 3 products, we had to make sure that they all connected and looked as if they belonged with one another in order to capture the essence of our film. In order to make sure that all 3 of our products were successful, we had to make sure that all the different elements of each product were connected. One of the main elements was the title, Unnerved. We had to make sure that the title of our movie was clearly shown in all 3 products so that the audience could link them all together. The magazine cover and the poster had the exact same font so it would be easy to recognize and remember the trailer as well as the 2 ancillary texts. We had to make sure that the title clearly stood out in all products as a way to remember to target our audience. Furthermore, in order to make sure our products were effective, we wanted to make sure that our trailer, magazine, and poster all explored the use of color. We thought this would be important because we felt that the color trailer, poster, and magazine would appeal more to today's generation and our audience. With the magazine cover and poster, we wanted to stick to the idea of having color, but at the same time root it to our genre of horror. For both ancillary texts, we chose to go for the white, black, and grey theme to make it more appealing to the horror genre. The magazine cover has a hint of red, which is shown in the title and surrounding headings. However, when making the poster, we didn't want to add a lot of colour as our actress's clothing had a hint of colour, which went well with the colour scheme and the overall poster. Another way in which we made our products effective was the fonts that we used for each product. We wanted to make sure that they all connected in some way, so we used similar fonts for all 3 products so that the audience could link each of them together. By having similar fonts, it allowed us to merge our products to make sure that they didn't appear as if they were all taken from a different film. It was crucial that the images we used for the ancillary text were effective and complemented our trailer. For our poster, we used this image of our female character, Katie. We thought it would be an effective image as it relates back to our trailer. With the final scene, we see Katie getting pulled with a hand over her mouth. This image relates back to that, and we wanted to make sure that our poster captured our trailer, so therefore it would be a good idea to do a similar shot for our poster as it looks like Katie is being dragged into the darkness. For our magazine cover, we wanted to make sure that we used our main character, Steve. We chose this image as we thought it best evoked the character's personality in our film. We chose to go with a slightly disturbing yet creepy pose for Steve for our magazine, with half of his face covered by a black shadow. We thought this would be extremely effective as it represents both the good and evil side of his character. Both magazine cover and poster portray a sense of fear, which was vital for our theme of horror. We wanted to make sure that we used both our characters, Steve and Katie, for these products, as it would be confusing if we were to use someone else and therefore all 3 products would not be relatable. We wanted to make sure that all 3 products merged well together to create a great synergy with each other. It was imperative that all 3 products conveyed the right message about our theme. Our magazine front cover plays with the idea of the film as it displays Steve's mental illness, but at the same time comes across as professional and sticks to our theme of horror. The poster also sticks to the theme, as well as, again, playing with the ideas of the film, as this image that we use for our poster is similar to the last shot in our trailer.
Created using Powtoon.